Welcome back everybody. Today we are learning sets. So sets are unordered collections of unique elements, meaning there can be only one representative of the same object. That means we can only type a letter only once. We cannot type a letter twice in a set. So let's jump to our Jupyter notebook. So here we have a Jupyter notebook. Let's create a new file. Let's rename it sets. For now, let's rename that sets. So let's start learning sets. So if we say my set is equal to set and brackets. So we're doing that. If I say my set, it's going to say set and brackets. So for adding something, we need to set my set dot add. So we're going to add 1. So if I check my set, it's going to say 1. So let's check a little more. So I say my set dot add 2, and if you run that and check my set, it's going to say 1 and 2. So this is how sets work. Now let me show you that it doesn't work that we can add two same letters. So if we say my set add again 2, if you run that and check my set, it's going to say 1 and 2. It's not going to say 1, 2 and 2. So let me show you 1, 2, 3. Let's convert list into sets. So let's make a bit interesting by doing that. Let's create a bunch of ones, bunch of twos, comma, so bunch of twos and bunch of threes. And if you run that and say, let's say set bracket my list. My list. If we run that, it's going to say 1, 2 and 3, because sets are unordered sets of unique collections. These are unique collections. So we have discussed sets today, and we will meet at the next lecture.